with you. You're not gonna keep shitting in this motherfucking house. Keep your ass up. No. Go. 5, 4, 3.
I'm about to lock the darn door.
And if I die, be sure to take George out.
Who the fuck ate mommy cakes from the Asian market? Who ate them?
You a snitch.
I never introduced myself to you. My name is Mimi. Yeah. I never told you my name. Nice to meet you.
Bro, I know you're not on my motherfucking bus now. Beignet Pierre Jabarkis Vanity, get your ass up off my bus down.